Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So I am in this store. It's Azan Supercenter in Jamaica. It is similar to your store, like your, what should I say, which store is it similar to? Your Targets? No. Home Goods? No. I will tell you which store it's similar to. It is a department store where you can get a little of anything for the home organization items, decor pieces, curtains, and so. Let me know down in the comment which store this remind you of in your country. So if you're in Canada, UK, US, which country you're in, let me know what this store look like for you. Also, they have these decor pieces that you can use to decor your wall, or if you want to decor like an entrance or so. These are great pieces. Over this section they have some wide variety of clocks, so if you need some clocks to decorate your space, come on to Azan Supercenter. I had to stop by this section because I see that they already prepared for the hurricane season. So if you're looking for your small radios, if you're looking for lanterns, $1,000 up. This red one is $1,070. If you're looking like for radio with battery radios, $2,500. If you're looking for bulbs, if you're looking for flashlight, solar flashlight, this one is $1,070. So guys, you can come on down to Azan if you haven't already. It's just to be prepared for the hurricane season. If you want flashlights and bulbs, they have them here as well. So they have a lot of stuff here and the price aren't bad, 1,000 something up. Over this section they had these small fans. You know, summer is coming to an end, but in Jamaica the climate is sometimes still warm up to Christmas. So if you want a small fan, here is one you can come on and grab. I see they start putting out some decoration pieces for Christmas. Well, as you can see, we don't celebrate fall, so they start to put out Christmas stuff. So you can get your lights here. This light set is for 13,100 Jamaican dollars. This is about 90 US dollars. So they have these buckets as well. These are great too, like if you were keeping a party, like an ice bucket. These are also great for different storage ideas. So if you're lacking storage, these are great pieces that you can use as well. $2,750 for the small one, and the larger one is 3,000 something. Over this side they have these towel racks, so you can get like a napkin holder, your paper towel holder, 1,300 up. And they have these tray as well, matching the bucket that we just saw, for 2,300 up. Over this section you have these cushions, like $975. These are more summery, so we're ending summer now, but if you want to purchase these to put up for next year, you can. I'm not a cushion person now. I prefer buying the covers and I have the inserts at home. Over here you can get a lot of storage organization pieces. Look at this bucket, look at this basket, look at this. This storage bin, the design of it is so beautiful. This would be great in a bathroom as well, to put your towels, to put your tissue. It can use to store so many pieces. It can use for under cabinet. Look at this one. The design on it is so nice as well. And the price is not bad. It is nice. Simple and nice. And it's white, so it can blend in with any decor. And they're like $2,250. The pattern on them aren't bad, and they have them in gray as well. So I'll soon go and show you the gray. They have these smaller storage organizers for like $510. I do think I saw them a little bit cheaper somewhere else. Where did I see them a little bit cheaper? Maxi. Yes, I saw this set like for $800 and something of 3. They have different size storage pieces. These can use to store under your bed, like if you want to store some cushion covers, curtains, sheets, and so. And as I mentioned, they have different colors, so you can get a tan color. They have these blue, they have these beige colors, they have them in brown. This is a 3-piece set, $2,250 for this 3-piece set. So if you haven't been to Azan in a while, please check them out. And also if you're overseas, let me know what this store With what this store remind you of? Which store over there this store remind you of? Because we don't have the Target, we don't have the Walmart, we don't have the IKEA. So you comment down below which store this remind you of. Over this side you can get some mason jars. They have different prices from $180 and they have some tiny ones for like $80. So this one here, you know, mason jar can use to store a lot of things. I personally don't use these metal ones anymore to store seasoning because it kind of rusty the cover or rotten the cover quickly, so I don't like that. And then the rust thingy, the black thing will fall into the seasoning or the spice that you use, so I don't like that. They have these small ones as I mentioned for $80, and these jars can use to store so many things. It can use to store extra sauce, it can use to store extra gravy, it can use to store sugar, salt, whatever it is, if it's your choice. I would prefer the plastic cover ones. They have these cups as well with the straw, $385. I had one, mine broke recently, so I think I might need to get another one because it is very convenient. Yes, you can store oils and stuff in these bottles. If you have like sauce as well, anything you think you would use these bottles for, you can use them. $440. I have one and I don't use mine as yet. I don't know what to do with it. Over here they have some, what should I say, like colanders and strainers. They have these that like you can wash your rice in as well. They have these 3-piece bowl set, $2,420 for this one. So as I said, Azan is one of these stores where you can get a wide variety of stuff. Look at these egg containers, $400. So instead of putting the whole egg tray into the fridge or leaving it on the counter, you can always put them into these containers, and they have some for $620. And also they have these other white set for $750. So these are great for storage into your fridge. And also I see some persons use these containers to store like their makeup sponge. Yeah, the makeup foundation sponge, because it is round like that. So that's a great idea as well. Over this side they have these plates and this organizing. This can use for like your, like if you're doing like a dips, and so this is great. This is also great for different organization on the closet, and so $1,575. And they have these clear plates as well. These are great serving trays, $1,300. And they have this as well for $660. They have these cookie containers, $835. So guys, as you can see, Azan has a lot of storage organization. Most of these stuff you would have to purchase on Amazon, or so you don't have to go on Amazon. They are right here in Azan and the prices are not bad. Over this side they have these set of containers as well, $3,560. This is great if you're having children going back to school carrying lunch and stuff, and they have these Rubbermaid one as well. These are great to store your pasta or your cereals, and so they have them in different size in the set. And they have this butter container, $235 for this one. Over this section here is a section that I normally love to come. It is this section where you can get like scratch and dent stuff that are damaged. Over this side I normally look for stuff that I can DIY. So really and truly, like this is a mirror, normally $6,000. The mirror is broken, so I'm going to take a few of that so I can use it to turn into something, and also some other little stuff that I see. I will show those in a little haul. Oh, they have this what should I call it? It's a towel, paper towel holder, but it also have the part where you can store your spice as well. And the price is not bad, $1,800 basically. So it comes in this tan color and the white color as well, but I'm only seeing the white available. And over this side, guys, they have these cake boards that you place your cake on. These can use for so many things. $795, $180. They have them in different size, different style. Look at this marble one, $640. This can turn into a nice tray. No, it can turn into a nice tray. Get some handles and so, and you can turn it into a nice tray. They have it in round as well. So if you're a person and this is your style, you can come on and grab something like that and just do some DIY with it. Look at this one. Look at this design. This would be a great wall piece. You get a picture frame of a size 1,260 and you put it inside and maybe paint it with a background. It would look so beautiful. And they have lots of tablecloth. So these are some patterned one, 1,690. They have plain colors, they have floral, they have white solid colors. So guys, they have a lot of those stuff. Look at this section, guys. You know your girl love a diffuser, and they have these diffusers from 1,990 up. They have some with lights as well for 7,000. They have these larger ones for like 10,000. If you don't have a diffuser in your home, I think you need to purchase one. Purchase one as soon as possible. Get some nice essential oils, put it in there, relax. It's a nice item to have in the home. It's one way to make your home smell good. Look at these lamps, $2,640. You know, it's the other day I'm hunting down some lamps. I was looking on Amazon, but I think I might just come here back and get two of these. $2,650 for one, not bad. These are nice, and because I don't want the big ones for my bedside, these are great. $3,000. They have them in different sizes as well. Let me know which of these is your favorite color, and the price is right. Not bad at all for a lamp. Let me know if these are your style as well. So as you can see, they have a lot of mirrors, so these are great for doing your makeup, and they have more lamps as well. 21,000. These are the larger sizes. Not my type, but you guys can come and grab. They have a lot of picture frames as well, so if you plan to do a DIY art, if you plan to just print something off Etsy or Google and just put in a frame, they have a wide variety of picture frame here and different size. And they have these vase here as well that you can come on and grab. They have in different colors, different style, different type. So guys, as you can see, Azan has so many items here. Comment down below what is your favorite piece that you see so far, and please, if you haven't checked out my other video where I visited All That Matters, Maxi, they are down in the link down in the description, so ensure you watch those videos as well. And if you haven't seen my living room makeover for end of summer, you can check out that video as well, as I will be updating it soon for the fall. So as you can see, they have so many items here that you can come on and get. They have different lightings and so. Let's head on over to this side where you can get like smaller battery light for like $3,000. These would be great to just put on like a side table or entrance table. Decorative light pieces, battery light just in case you have power outage during the hurricane season or just regular power outage. They have these organizers for your jewelry, your lipstick, nail polish. They have different organizers here as well. And they had these succulents, $500, actually $540 and $480. They have some for like 1,700. There are these types as well for 1,800. I like how they lay them out. And guys, succulents are small pieces of decor that you can use to make your home look good. And you know, I cannot come here and don't visit the rug section. They have so many rugs here, and I'm just going to go over a few. You know I love to splurge on rug. Rug is one of those decor pieces that I will spend the money on. I love a rug. There are so many rugs here. Guys, check out Azan if you want to see their rug section, if you want design rugs, if you want large rugs, if you want fluffy rugs, if you want plain rugs. They have a wide variety of rugs here. And over by this section I saw this 3-piece basket for only $2,700. Not bad at all. This can use to hide like your clutter stuff in your living room. You can use it to put like you can put a throw in it like in the large one. And I saw this shelf divider. Look at this shelf divider. Guys, if you don't have enough space in your closet, this is a great way to organize under your closet. They have the smaller one and they have the larger one here as well. This is something that you mostly get like on Amazon, or so you hardly see these type of stuff in store. So when you see it in store, ensure you grab it. They have lovely shelf dividers here, and the price are like 1,400, and the price is really good. They have shoe organizers, and these I see person use shoe organizers for so many things. So remember, you don't have to purchase this stuff for what they are. So shoe organizers can use for so many storage ideas. And they have more basket as well, and as I say, basket is a way of organizing, adding making your home clutter free. And these come in like 3-piece. They have single pieces. They have them in look at that one with the towel. They have them in different colors as well. And they have these rods as well. So if you're looking to put up some curtain, you can always get their rods here as well. They have this hook where you can hang like your towels. You can put it in the bathroom. You can put different stuff on them. Put it behind a door. And they had this suction sponge and brush holder as well. These go in your sink and different places if you wish to use it for something else. And I'm just going to head on to the cashier now to cash out these because the rain is coming and I don't want it to catch me on the road. But while heading to the cashier, I saw these LED lights and I just decided to show you them as well. 3,500, and they look really nice. And they have some other type for like 2,900 here. And I have to go over by the wallpaper section. They have some new wallpaper in stock. I need to really come back and look through them and get some nice one. You know, I love to do the wall art design. I posted that video recently. That's the last video, so you guys can check them out. I just want to say thank you again for watching, making it to the end of this video. Please comment down below what is your favorite piece that you saw here. Also, if you are not a Jamaican or you're living overseas, comment down below which store this store remind you of. I am Renee again. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.